All right, everybody. So I'm back, and we're going to talk about this one right here, okay? Cream Palace. So this is very, 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 very good for your skin. I just rolled this out this year, and it is yummy. So you definitely want to be able to try this or give this to somebody else. Yummy. That's what you want to do, okay? So this right here is going to be your daytime serum. So you will put this on during the day, and if especially if you're inside, it can dry out your skin. So you want to put this during the day, and it has lovely, lovely things. It has argan oil, it has avocado mix, it has our selenite and our pink crystals. So this right here, you can do it on your hands too, but definitely for the face, and it really moisturizes the skin, okay? This right here is going to be the night. That's what really was talking about on his MOLIAE. So this is the MOLIAE Gold Collection. This is going to be a face serum during the night, and you just kind of put a little bit on at night if you want to. You know, hopefully that you do. And look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And it smells yummy. It has apple seed oil. Isn't that wonderful? So this is something that you do. This is for the ladies, for the queens. And then here you have the let me see. Okay, there you go. So this right here is the Topaz Oasis. Your mom will talk about this. This is a good way to exfoliate the skin. That's what really was saying what the guys will have. And look, so the guys there will have this. Okay, so that's the Power, and then this is the Topaz Oasis. All right, so you have that. And then this right here is going to be our lip oils, and this is for the females, and we have it in three different flavors for you. Okay, you see that? All right, so that's that. And let's see, I think I kind of covered everything but the soaps. I want to talk about the soaps. So this here is our new camel milk soap. This is a spa soap, so you get that type of, you know, massage going on. And then the back has Egyptian rose, and this is from Egypt. Okay, so that's that. And let's see, we do have it in the gold bar soap, the soap bar soap. So that's very good. Again, we have infused Egyptian roses. Isn't that, oh, it's gonna be so yummy on the skin. These Egyptian roses is gonna be like a rose oil. Rose oil is very, very good for the skin. It keeps in there natural and heals all type of ailments. It moisturizes the skin and everything. So this is our original gold bar, which is honey and argan oil. And then we put it in this flavor, which is kind of like a darker color, but it's still the argan oil and the honey. All right, so then we did that. And let's see, I think that's all that we wanted to do. And look, these are the gold bars, and they're a little bit darker. So do check that out. And definitely check out my serum. So the serums in itself is going to get you that type of, let me kind of get the other one here. It's going to get you that type of big difference in your skin, and you want to be able to use this at night so we can be able to moisturize and heal at the same time. This is, of course, is the Cream Palace. You got to get that. And then of course this is one of my MOLIAE collection, and the MOLIAE comes in for the queen and for the king. Okay, look at that. All right, so isn't that? That's my love thing. But yeah, these two is the one to get at night, and then during the day, the queen will use this one. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the other area. All right, so let's see here. We'll go ahead and walk over here, and I just want to talk about these. And let's go ahead and get a close up. All right. Yep, you gotta kind of bend it down a little bit. And I think I'm not in the camera, so I think you gotta go to the right. Okay, there you go, right there.
Okay.
Look, right to your left. Move to your left a little bit. There you go. All right, so let's talk about this. So this right here is called the Jade roller. So we have it in the green jade, and you get and you get the jade. You get the scraper, and the scraper is really good to use. And you would do this at night or during the day, and it's kind of move the muscles up. So this right here, and you get it in the green jade, and we also have this white pearl. Okay, and basically what that is, this helps to kind of loosen up those muscles or what have you, get that blood flowing or what have you.
Right.
And just kind of do that. This is for the eye part, but this is for the cheeks and then the forehead. So we do have this now. You can get this at MOLIAE Beauty, and then we have a scraper with this one. Isn't that cute? And so it does the same thing. So you can definitely get this. And of course, these are what I want to talk about, but I give you the mic. What you want to talk about, what you really love. Let's look at this.
really wanted to look at this beard oil because I know a lot of brothers out there now, they have these beards, and you know we need to keep them straight, need to keep them cut, looking nice for the ladies. You know, like I said with the James Harden, Rick Ross type beards, you know, they always looking fresh. They have it, you know, to wear it black and oily, and they take care of them. So I think this is one of the products that are fly off the shelf. This here, this beard oil. And then the lip oils. Brothers, we gotta do a better job of taking care of our lips. We can't walk around and holler at ladies, you know, with, you know, chapped lips and whatnot. So they don't like that too much. So we make sure we use these lip oils, and they are fabulous. They are really, really good and natural Egyptian products. And the other one here, after you work out, make sure you use a body spray. These are all King and Me, and you gotta use a body spray with, like I said, frankincense. We all know what that is, but different oils that take care of the skin, make it smell good. You said this one has polo red, right?
Yeah, it got polo red.
Yeah,
So the price point is at a certain point because of the ingredients, but definitely has polo red in it. So it's gonna smell really good.
But this is quality stuff. So I mean, if you're gonna pay, these are all quality products, straight from, you know, our motherland. So let's support Michelle and get some of these products off the shelf.
All right.
Yeah.
And so this right here, again, I just want to focus on this cream palace. It's very popular, and it has pink crystals in it. Okay.
Oh.
And just want to make sure I'm in the frame. Is that correct? I'm in the frame. Can you look at me? I'm in the frame.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
I'm glad. So here it is. So this right here is the beautiful pink quartz, which is very good for the skin. It amplifies it. It does all that good stuff, and it smells yummy.
So are they like glittery?
No. See the crystals right at the bottom.
Right.
And it just emerges with the oil blend that I have.
Oh,
So it just amplifies it, and then I have selenite too. And it's very good. So I definitely want to talk about this. That go ahead and get it. It's going to be moisturizing and great for the skin. And then here you have the Maya, like yours. You have the one for the king, and then one for, and both of y'all can take a nice wonderful bath. For my that gift box is for the bath, right? And then y'all put y'all serum on, and then bam, y'all go to sleep and feel yummy. Okay, so this right here is for the y'all don't have to take a nice bath after you open up and get that gift box for the bath there, and then you use this at night, the king, and then the queen use hers, and y'all is bam, wonderful. Okay, so those are those products, and this is that. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining us today for my brand, MOLIAE Beauty. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.